Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here at the Breckweld booth and I am filming the SW 2.5 wood burning stove. This is a nice steel wood burning stove. It does have a beautiful cast iron door on it. This model is going to be tax credit qualified. It has a pretty large firebox in here and it will hold a 21-inch log. It does have a fully gasketed door here. You can see Breckweld uses a nice thick gasket on it. Inside the firebox, it is just going to be a standard fire brick on the sides, the rear, and the bottom. I really like standard fire brick because it makes it super easy to replace those parts when that becomes time. You do have one damper control located on the stove, which is going to be located at the bottom of the stove. It is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue, and it also does have a nice little area down below for log storage, which is a handy feature. If I didn't mention, this model is tax credit qualified, so it's going to qualify for that 30% federal tax credit. Nice tight system on the door. You can see this is a super thick door gasket. I really appreciate companies that do a good door gasket. Keep in mind when doing your first burn, you got to break in your stove slowly, or as sometimes that pressure can cause your door gasket to pull out if you get it too hot too quickly, so keep that in mind. Standard fire brick. Also, classic air tubes located at the top of the stove, which is going to give you that nice secondary burn. This is your air wash located here, so it's going to keep your glass burning nice and clean. One simple damper control located at the bottom of the stove, and you do have an area for log storage as well. Standard fire brick on the sides and the bottom. You can see the top of the stove does have air tubes. This is going to be your air wash, which gives you that nice secondary reburn. It's going to keep your glass burning nice and clean. One simple damper control located at the bottom of the stove here, pulls in and pushes out, and a simple log storage located below the stove. I hope you guys found this overview helpful. If you like these videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.